Hello everyone. This is the part 2 of the navigation video. The first one was to show you how to navigate Schoology management systems. This video will teach you how to navigate what's called Launchpad. Launchpad is a secondary product that is not integrated into Schoology, but is attached to it by links. Let's get started. This right here is your home page. The first thing you want to do is go to your home page. And you want to first go to Introduction, start here. First you have to do is to register for Launchpad. Scroll down until you see Register for Launchpad. Right here is the online course. Okay. First you must read the entire note that it's giving you. Then go to the website where it says www.Millen Higher Education Launchpad McKay World. Click on the web link. Okay. Now, as you click onto the web link, a Launchpad screen will show up. Focus on this side of the screen where it says New Student Registration. Now, you will not have an access code. What you do is you want to click on I need to pay later. When you click on you need to pay later, type in your email address and press submit. And what you would do is you will activate your access into Launchpad. And they will give you an access code. Now, once you activate that, the Launchpad screen should come up. Remember, when you pay, Launchpad is not free. The cost of Launchpad is $100. So you would say you want to pay later, they'll give you the access code. At some point after 3 weeks, after at least 4 to 6 weeks, you will have to spend at least $100 for access to the Launchpad. Now, with Launchpad, you want to focus, these are assignments, of course, but here, look on towards this side of the screen where it says home page, ebook, gradebook, calendar, etc. Now, how is it that you can get access to this information? This is what your ebooks look like. This is your electronic textbook. So when you're paying $100, this is what your textbook will look like. Let's say this is chapter 1, the earliest human societies. Okay. This is your introduction to the chapter. So what you're doing is, instead of buying the book in the bookstore, you're actually reading it online. And this is what the book will look like. Okay. Use these arrows right here, previous and next, to actually turn the page. And remember, this is an ebook, so you're reading this online. You will need this to answer the question for tests, write information for discussion boards, and for your Schoology assignment, your Schoology assignments. My apologies. Okay. Now, when you get confused, just always press home page. That's what the ebook looks like. Also, this is your calendar. Click on calendar. And what it says here is that most of your Launchpad assignments is due on Friday. So on Friday, you will have these assignments that are due. They're mostly learning curve, making connections, listening to past. So you have your ebook and you have your assignments. Now, how is it that you can get access? Well, how would you know which assignments to do? In the last video, what I said was that your Launchpad readings and your assignments are located within the weeks. What you do is you go to week 1. You go to readings. You click on the folder that says readings, right? And you click on chapter 1 readings. Here you have a course that says Launchpad. Enter your email and the password or your access code. Launchpad will come up. Since you're reading chapter 1, of course, well, you just go here. You get access towards your ebook. That's what you have. Okay? Now, for your assignments is also very similar, but also very different. Also, there's more information. Just go to week 1, scroll down to where it says the folder Launchpad Assignments. Click on the folder. Here you'll have the list of assignments that need to be completed. Okay, these are the list of assignments right here. So what you would do is that you would turn on to Launchpad. It would say no assignments are due for the next 30 days. Go towards your home page. And what you have is this, is that you have your to-do list. And here you can click on towards your assignments. Connections, learning curve, reading and explore, development, agricultural. You have to read a textbook, read the information, and answer the questions. This is what it looked like. Launchpad is pretty much very simple. Again, play around with it with a couple of minutes to get the grips of how to use Launchpad. Also remember this, if you have any problems, please contact your professor or maybe at ODL. Goodbye.